Hi and welcome to Happy Kitty Kitchen. Today I'm showing you how to make brown butter and telling you why you should always have a jar of this in your fridge. If you're an aspiring chef, this is one ingredient that will definitely elevate your cooking game, and if you thought butter makes everything better, well, brown butter makes everything perfect. Let's start out by adding our butter sticks to a light colored skillet or pan. Avoid using black pans because you won't be able to see the milk solids separating from the butter or even see the color of the butter changing. I'm melting the butter sticks over a medium-low heat, then I'll gradually raise the temperature to medium, not high, just to medium because I don't want burned butter either, just browned. This video is obviously sped up, but it will take about 10 minutes for the butter to start bubbling, and once it does that, occasionally come in with a whisk or heat-proof spatula and move it around so that the milk solids don't burn in there and heat gets distributed evenly. I'm going to let it bubble for 2 to 3 minutes until I can clearly see the milk solids, which are those specks and grains that you see in there, turning dark brown, and also I can smell a strong nutty aroma. Once you smell and see the change, you remove from the heat and stovetop immediately because if it keeps cooking, it will burn very quickly. Some people like to put the bottom of their pan in an ice bucket. You could do that, or you could just run some cold water under the pan and on the outside of the pan just to cool it down and stop the cooking process. Strain out the milk solids using a tea strainer, or if you have this heat-proof neat gadget like mine, use that to pour into a jar, and I personally kept that in the fridge for up to 10 days and it didn't spoil or taste funny. But you can also pour it into ice cube trays and freeze it for later use. The whole process takes about 15 to 20 minutes, and brown butter is used in baking a lot and cooking to add more intense and complex flavors. In baking, it's for cookies and brownies, and basically any recipe you would usually use butter in, you can substitute with this. I personally have used it in making steaks and the steak sauce, pasta sauce, and I even used it for my scrambled eggs and omelets. The possibilities are endless and the smell is heavenly. You're going to get addicted to sniffing the stuff just like I did. And that's it.
So good. So good.